So in this lesson, we can discuss one ultimate reality, which is the mind. The first one, that is knowing nature. Knowing nature or the mind is one by way of its characteristic, but it functions and it works in four different planes, four different space. It's called sense sphere consciousness, sense sphere mind. We are human beings. We are living in the sense sphere or sensuous realm. Sensuous realm includes 11 states, 11 worlds. The four woeful states, human world, and 6 types of sensuous spheres or the heavenly world. In these 11 spheres or 11 realms, there are types of sensual objects, visible objects, sound, pleasurable, and smell, taste, and some tangibles. And according to these 5 different objects, the mind rises to enjoy and take in these objects and to experience pleasure and being attached to these things. So these minds, different mental things are called sense sphere consciousness, sense sphere mind. Knowing nature functions in sensuous field. Apart from this particular world, there is another world, another realm. It is called fine material sphere, fine material world, fine material state. That Brahmas are there. Brahmas experience the fine materials objects there. And here in this human world, as meditators, as monks, as nuns, we practice meditation. But in day-to-day life, we experience only these the 5 different types of objects through our sense doors. But when we put our mind into deep meditation, we can concentrate, we can make our mind still, and then we experience some sort of kind of refined, beautiful material experiences rising in the mind. This is a types of mind rising in this human world, but mental states are different to this sensuous sphere. Mostly these types of minds, consciousness, knowing nature, rise in the fine material sphere, fine material realm. So this another kind of mind or another kind of consciousness. Other than these two different minds, there are some other minds rising in the immaterial world, that is a formless state. The previous two states, beings are much connected and attached to the gross or fine material things. But in the third realm, the beings are called like only the consciousness exists as a being, immaterial. In the immaterial world, immaterial realm, no any single material form, no any single material things there. Because previously that those beings, just before going to that state, before being born in that state, they have just disconnected by way of meditation. They disconnected the material connection. It is also a periodical, but for the time being, they have done it. So they are called immaterial beings or Brahmas, Brahmas in the immaterial realm. So accordingly, there are three types of minds. Mind rising in the sense sphere realm, minds rising in the fine material world, the minds rising in the immaterial world. The fourth one is superior. The minds, different mind states are there. With these minds, a being can realize Nibbana through four different states: stream entry, and once returner, non-returner, and arahanthood. So there are 8 types of minds to experience Nibbana. So according to these all together, these 89 minds, 89 types of consciousness is divided into 4 realms by way of sense sphere consciousness, fine material consciousness, immaterial consciousness, and supramundane consciousness. Some more we can discuss in the next video, in the next lessons. Thank you.